The two-day Plastic Colloquium wraps up in Boksburg today. The event brought together key stakeholders who dealt with policy direction for plastic waste management. For more on this, we cross to our reporter and anchor, Nompumelelo Siziba, who is standing by in Boksburg. Very good afternoon to Nompumelelo. Over to you.
Thanks very much, Nzinga. As you say, we are here at the Plastic Colloquium in Boksburg. It is the last day. Currently, a lot of the participants are in various rooms around the vicinity here, basically having their workshops, having discussions around various strategies. They're talking around things like product specification. They're talking about product standards, designing products in such a way that you're mindful that at the end of that product's life, it should be able to be recycled. Now, of course, while they're having that meeting, there are things that we can be doing at home at an individual level. And let's take a look at some of the advice that we're getting, particularly in the area of littering. So, this question is posed: what is littering? Littering takes place when waste is not properly disposed of, like when you throw plastic packets, wrappers and fruit peels onto the ground. It's important not to litter because it harms the environment. It even affects human health, blocks waterways and harms plant life. Litter can even get washed into streams and the ocean, causing water pollution. So these are some of the reasons why we should be careful how we dispose of our litter. And also in terms of recycling, recycling means taking the materials from products you have used and using them to make new products. We should all try to recycle because it uses up fewer resources, saves money, uses less energy, and it results in less pollution. Let's take a look at another one. There are many things you can recycle, such as paper, glass, plastics, certain metals and polystyrene. Now, earlier in the day, the Minister of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries, Barbara Creasy, she did open today's colloquium with a keynote address, and she was basically echoing these sentiments that we need to do our bit to look after our environment. We need to educate our children from the get-go that they need to care about their environment and how to do so. Let's take a listen to what she had to say.
Those of us who separate waste at home must learn to wash out the containers before dumping them. Those of us who like fast food need to demand alternative products to package our burgers, our chicken, and our coffee. Those of us who do the shopping must remember to take our recycled bags with us and not demand new plastics in the retail outlets. All of us must stop throwing waste out of our car windows and dropping it where we eat. Those of us who are in government must ensure communities have a responsible means of disposing of waste if they do not have weekly collections. We must teach our children to love their country and their environment.
The Minister of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries there, Barbara Creasy, just basically saying that we need to take care of the environment. Sounds very simple, but if we don't know, we don't know. But when we do know, we need to exercise that responsibility and take care of our environment. This could then help going forward in how we better manage plastic waste. That's all from us for now. Back to you in studio, Nzinga.
Nompumelelo Siziba giving us an update from the Plastic Colloquiums in Kempton Park and Boksburg. She'll be back in studio on Monday.